Welcome to Bender channel. Today I will make a warp with the gun. Yes, this will be an army warp. I got the idea of military animals from a mobile game called Path to Path. That's just an idea, but actually I will use a character from that game in this video. But if you like, I can create new characters based on these gems, such as a ninja cat or a snowboarding bear. Sound pretty interesting, right? This warp will be in a squatting position. Apply a thin layer of clay on a piece of aluminum foil. Roll it up the same way my mother made dumpling, and then attach the bow that resembles a dumpling to the body I made earlier, and we have the basic shape of the warp second. I continue working on the details. Start with the sleeve, roll up past the elbow. Add the detail of the small part on the shoulder. I'm not sure what this part is used to hold, but with that part, it looks complete and more like the original, so just put it in. Sometimes something around Earth are only there to fill space, not necessarily with a clear purpose. I don't know what I was talking about, but never mind. To make the shirt more natural, I add the crinkles to the shirt by peeling away the clay to create concave parts. The two sleeves are complete. Now I need to make two shoulder straps so I can make a bulletproof vest. The piece of armor on the chest from before looks too much like an apron, so I will replace it with a clay plate which will make the chest armor look more sturdy and rugged. Use a long thin piece of clay to fit it around the neck. And then make a few adjustments, and we complete the collar. After completing the basic shape of the body, instead of rushing to do the small details, I move on to shaping the head, starting with two perpendicular lines, so I could easily attach the clay for the snow. And also the cheeks. Two more erect ears. I'm making a pocket. I need to make 3 more similar pockets to attach to the belly of the bulletproof vest. Use soft silicone tip to gently press to make line on the pocket. Add well art on the shirt. You can use a shape needle tip instead of a silicone tip in hard track arenas. It feels like I'm just saying what appears on the screen. It seems quite boring, and I have nothing else to say, so there's only music in this part. Hope it makes you relax. Hi, I'm back. After a while of not saying anything, I have finished sculpting. Now I should need to paint. I utilize yellow as the base color for the shirt and gray as the base color for the fur. After the base layer were dry, I utilize the yellow color to paint the spots on the certificate of military uniforms, including a few green spots. Once everything completely dry, I use a wet brush to wax over the surface with a light yellow color. This makes the color look more natural. For the gun, I use yellow with a little brown. I also didn't know the ratio of the color. I simply mix them together until it glows to the color I want. Not knowing clearly about color mixing ratios leads us to wasted color and time. So we should spend time learning and practice with color mixing. And if you have any knowledge about color mixing, sculpting, or any tips, please share in the comments so everyone can learn. Should need to paint a few more small details, and I can complete this sculpture. This sculpture reminds me of my dog named Zonyap. The name Zonyap was given to him by my brother. Zonyap is a very cool dude. I still meet him sometimes. Wait until I finish painting this logo, and then let's see the result together.